Desired Sierra Dawn South age qualified 55 plus senior community. Beautiful home manufactured in 2003, bedrooms 2 bathrooms, covered carport, could fit 2 cars. Shows light and bright. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, kitchen with lots of cabinetry, walk-in pantry, freestanding gas range, microwave, dishwasher, breakfast counter, and dining room. Master bedroom has walk-in closet, master bathroom with step-in shower, soaking tub, and vanity. Guest bedrooms with good size closet space. Indoor laundry room with washer and dryer hookups and access door to the carport. Low maintenance landscaping front and backyard. The facilities have 4 clubhouses with many amenities to choose from, 5 pools, jacuzzi spas, exercise room, dog park, pickleball.